Hi everybody, it's Donna. I wanted to share with you how to make these custom foil spines for your albums. I know several of you have seen these either at my crops or online here. So I wanted to show you how to do it. It's very easy. So I'm giving you a quick tutorial here. Just takes a few minutes. Now, as you'll notice, I've got a few examples here on my bookshelf. I've got a few different font choices, a couple of different colors of the foil, and 3 different album colors. So there are a lot of variations that you can do. But basically, you get 2 areas where you can put words or dates. As you can see, the large title that goes vertically, and at the bottom, horizontally, you get a small place that's perfect for a date. All right, so let's go to the website. And you'll want to go to my website at creativememories.com/user/DonnaGuest. And here you'll want to sign in. So if you don't have a login, I encourage you to create one. It's of course, easy just like any other website. But as you can see, I'm signed in as myself, which is that top bar. It says Donna Guest and it will say your name there. The advisor Donna Guest is just because I am an advisor, so I'm on my own page. Now, the reason you want to sign in as yourself is so that it will maintain all of your custom creations like these spines for you in case you want to return to them later. Maybe you're going to just create some now and then add them to an order later. So once you get here, you're going to click on Create Digital Photo Albums right here on the menu bar. And then you have 3 different menus. You're going to look at Custom Digital on the left, and you're going to choose at the bottom Custom Foiled Spines. And you can see some really beautiful examples that they have on the website and lots of colors. Looks so great. And here you have one choice, custom foil spines. And you can see they're only $10, which is such a great deal. When we offered something similar to this years and years ago, it was more expensive and you had to pay to ship your spine to Creative Memories. That is not the case anymore. Creative Memories will imprint on a brand new spine for you. So the great thing about that is you get a new spine for your album. So if it's got some wear and tear, you got a brand new spine, it'll have a new look to it. So I'm going to click on View Details. Okay, and now we get to make some choices. So if I click on book cloth here, now you do have a limited number of book cloth covers. It's typically 16, but right now through January 28th, and that's 1 o'clock Eastern Time, 12 noon Central Time, you have about 12 different colors to choose from, as you can see. So definitely take a look at that. And if you are not sure what the colors look like, I can send you a flyer for that. For example, Clementine has been a favorite because I have a couple of orange albums and we did not have an orange spine. So I've ordered a couple over the weekend. So we do have an orange available now. And this is a perfect match to the Fastifab Citrus Summer that we had available in 2019 that's actually still available. So let's say I'm going to do a Christmas album. And I use a lot of ruby red for that. Actually, rose red is great because this is a perfect match for the most recent Merry Little Christmas album collection that just came out. All right, now I'm going to choose my foil color. It's defaulted to black, but I also can choose silver or gold. I'm going to choose silver for this. Looks very good. And click Customize. Now enter a name for your product, and this is for your benefit so that you can refer to it later if you need to pull it back up. Click Continue. And now you're ready to customize. Now I'm doing this on an iPad right now, but I highly recommend you do this on your computer because a mouse is much easier to use than using my finger trying to drag everything around. But you're going to click where it says Add Text. Okay, and it's optional, just in case you want to do the one at just the bottom, but why would you do that? I want to do all this text right here. So I'm going to say, and I'm not very creative with titles, mine aren't very exciting. Some people get very clever with it. I'm just going to say Christmas Memories. That's what I've been doing for all mine. Now, the font that it defaulted to, maybe you don't like that, so you can change it. I'm going to touch text over here, click on text on these buttons at the bottom, and now I get 16 font choices. This is called Roboto Slab. For Christmas, I really like Sacramento is very pretty. It looks really good. And there's some other choices. I want to point out Mouse Memoirs is great if you go to a certain theme park. Looks really good. Atma or Atma, however that's pronounced, is another favorite of mine. I like how casual it is. So you can see what they look like before clicking on them. Great Vibes is another great one. That's what I've been using for all of my Christmas albums, I believe. So I'm going to use that one again. And you can change the size of the font as well. You can make it bold if you want. As you can see, that changed a little bit. You can put italics, underline, whatever. Okay, and you could do left justify to put it up at the top or center it. Now that you've got that covered, if you want to go to move that around, you can click transform here at the bottom, and that allows you, with the mouse is much easier, but I can kind of move that up if I don't want it perfectly centered, maybe right there. Okay, and the last bit of text we want to input is down here at the bottom. I'm going to click on that, and now I'm going to put my dates in. Now I could do dates like this, and you'll see what happens down there at the bottom. You can see that it's a narrow space, so it has to put them on two different lines. Or I could do this. Totally your preference. Totally your preference. And then I can move that little box up a little bit. I'm going to go back to what I had done. I don't mind them being on two lines. Okay, and then I could hit transform again and move that box around, but I really like the place where it is. You just want to make sure they're inside that dotted square because that's your safe area to put your text. So it looks pretty perfect there. I'm going to hit save up here at the top and save that to my custom products, and now I can click preview and see what it's going to look like on my bookshelf, and it's beautiful. So if I'm ready, and I think I am, you can go back and make changes if you want to by clicking edit, or you can just, if you're ready, add to the cart. And it will tell you to review your product, make sure you haven't misspelled anything. So I always double check, but I'm going through rather quickly. And then you're ready to add to the cart, and you can see the product name, which is what I gave it, and then the item number. It's a custom foil spine, or the item type, rose red silver foil, $10. So I'm going to hit add to cart. And that's it. It's in my cart now, and I can continue shopping. So you can include these spines within any order. So if you need some tape runner refill or some pages or an album, you can drop those in your order. The shipping is the same. It's going to be $8.95, our flat rate, up to $150. Then it goes up after that to $14.95. So it's just that simple. I hope you will try it out and make some beautiful spines for your albums. Let me know if you have questions, and definitely post your spines here so we can see them. Thanks so much.